185 Hz LTPO flat display. It is tipped to come with an IP68 rated build for dust and water resistance and an upgraded NIME vision feature. The phone will reportedly get AI features as well. Asus ROG Phone 9 series is confirmed to get the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, AI-backed cameras, and NIME vision support. Previous leaks suggested that the base version will support 16 GB of LPDDR, 5X RAM, and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage. The phone could be backed by a 5,800 mAh battery with 65-watt wired charging support. The phone is expected to ship with Android 15-based ROG UI. The Asus ROG Phone 9 model is tipped to sport a 6.78-inch Full HD plus 1080 by 2400 pixels, Samsung flexible LTPO AMOLED screen with 2500 nits peak brightness, Gorilla Glass Victus protection, always-on display, and HDR10 support. For security, it is expected to include an in-display fingerprint sensor. For optics, the Asus ROG Phone 9 is expected to include a triple rear camera setup, including a 1.56-inch 50-megapixel Sony Lydia 700 primary sensor, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, and a 5-megapixel macro camera.